This is the 2023 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing. And let me tell you a few things about it because this car is absolutely epic. First of all, this car has all the right ingredients that used to be used to make the perfect European sports sedan, but this one is from America. Let's get started though, because look at the looks. Oh my god, this car is drop dead gorgeous. The front, the side, the rear, everything about this car, including this poppy color, is absolutely amazing. It has 18-inch forged staggered wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot 4S rubber. It has big brakes, 6-pot Brembos at the front, 4-pot Brembos at the rear. The front rotors are almost 15-inch. The rear are 13.4. And holy moly, does this brake system bite. Moving on under the hood, the most important thing. This has a 3.6-liter V6 twin-turbo engine. Without sparing anything, it makes 472 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque. And guess what the best part is? It is mated to a 6-speed manual Tremec transmission. And even better than that, it's rear-wheel drive with an electronically locking sport rear differential. I'm getting so excited already that I need to change my posture. Honestly, this car is ticking all the right boxes for me. Before we go too far, prices are not crazy. In Canada, it starts at $68,698. As tested right here, it's just $5,000 more. In the US, it starts at $62,390. That makes it about $30,000 cheaper than a similarly equipped BMW M3 rear-wheel drive with a stick. Wow. Tickling the driver's senses even further are all these driving modes, especially the track modes with the specially controlled traction control modes. Look at this stuff. You get race 1, 2, wet, dry, semi-help, no help, kill yourself. It doesn't matter. This car does everything perfectly, and it does it all via a little button on the steering wheel, Ferrari style. It also has a V button to recall your most aggressive settings. The interior is also very sporty. It's very well made, good quality materials. The design is awesome. I mean, it's as complicated as it needs to be. This is a driver-focused vehicle, and I love everything about it. I love the bucket seats. I love the carbon trim. The steering wheel is really sexy and feels great in your hands. I mean, okay, the screen in the middle could have been a little bit better, but who cares, because you're going to be looking at this screen, the amazing instrument cluster with all the information you could ever ask for, including it shows you how locked up the rear differential is at any given moment. I love that. The driving position, amenities, all that stuff up here is perfect. I need nothing more than what I have. Okay, and the rear legroom is a little bit tight, and the door, the opening to get in and out is a bit tight, but you know what? Kids are perfectly happy back there, so no issues whatsoever. You don't get heated seats, but you do have a USB port back there and comfort access enabled rear door handles, which is fantastic. The trunk is also a very useful size at 303 liters or 10.7 cubic feet. So this thing is pretty practical as well. Also, it's not that heavy. It only weighs 1,751 kilograms, which is 3,860 pounds. In today's standards, that's not heavy at all. We're going to get into super detail with the ride and handling and driving impressions with rev matching and all that. But let me tell you this, it also has a drive recorder, so you can overlay your performance data when you go to the track, which is fantastic. You can use it to learn and improve your driving skills. In a nutshell, the bad stuff is probably reliability. I mean, Cadillac doesn't have the best reputation, but hopefully this does better than usual. As I said, the middle screen could have been nicer, but who really cares? You don't get ventilated seats up front, you only get heated. And probably on the track, it might not be as fast as a base M3, but that's just purely a speculation. We would really need to race one back-to-back or see some professional do it to be sure, because we've seen upsets in the past where... Sorry, not upsets. Why would it be upset? We've seen examples in the past where the Cadillac killed the BMW on the track. So this could be another situation like that. Who knows? Now, pedal to the metal. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour is supposed to come at the low 4-second mark. The 0 to 60 is supposed to come in 4.1. We did 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 5.2 seconds. Our 0 to 60 was 4.9 seconds. In the reverse procedure, this car stopped in 41 meters, but let's be honest here, these tires are almost toast. keep your foot on the gas in 6th gear, and this thing will top out at 304 kilometers an hour or 189 miles per hour. That is freaking former Lamborghini territory. But now that we got everything else out of the way, it's time to talk about driving impressions, because this thing is freaking amazing. The rev matching, the moment you press rev matching, that little thing, your gear indicator turns yellow, and then off you go. I'm in full track mode now, so it is a little bit bumpy. The Magna Ride 4.0 does a great job in comfort mode, but oh my god, the grip is it's crazy. And the sound. Now the exhaust goes and doesn't stop until you either go back on the gas or whatever. But as long as, wow, it's like holy mother of pearl. Holy mother of pearl. The steering feels perfect. The brake pedal feels perfect. The car follows your instructions to the T. It's amazing. And you know what's even more amazing? If I leave this race shit and I go back to my own mode, my regular mode, you know what happens? It becomes comfortable, and it does all of this with exceptional ride comfort. Look at this now. Now I'm out of all the race stuff, and I'm gonna do the same circle without the suspension being in the most aggressive mode. This is like the comfort mode now. And you know what happens in comfort mode? Not much really feels different. The car leans a tad bit more, but oh my god, it still feels so comfortable and so sporty at the same time. How the hell did they do that? Honestly, this is such a nice thing to drive. I love it. I love it. Honestly, I don't think it's as good as a BMW M3. But at $30,000 cheaper, it's great value for money. Honestly, why would you buy a base M3? I mean, unless you want to up it to a competition or an X-Drive or an automatic, I would stick with this one. Holy crap. Okay, the stability control is on now, but holy mother, it's amazing. Holy, oh, the braking. My guts are moving forward. Oh. I love this car. Honestly, handling, it's very playful. It's a 10 out of 10. The tires are toast, so I can't really say if it would grip like crazy, but oh my god, this thing is... For all the Europeans out there that say that, oh, American cars don't handle, you can now officially suck it. So, all in all, 2023 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing. Yes, please, I will take some, and then some more, and then some more, and more, and more of that. It is a 9.5 out of 10. The only reason I'm not giving it a 10 out of 10 is because I think the 10 out of 10 will probably be the CT5-V Blackwing. So, you can never beat the sound of a V8. Anyway, this is pretty much it for today with this exceptional, epic, masterpiece machine from Cadillac. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, subscribe, leave us a comment. Most importantly, I'm lost for words. Till next time, be well. Bye-bye.
Perfect.